got a bunch of combs right here from the dollar store. Take a look at the length of the teeth right there. That's not going to give you very much rolling room versus that type. That type of comb will give you a little more real estate to roll with. Okay, our first attempt, we got something, but it's not very consistent. It's not the most consistent, you know, but it's workable. See there right there. So let's try to keep it within. Show, right there. All right, that's a lot more consistent right there now. Yeah, I like it. Okay. I've been trying various of ways to accomplish the ridge effect with a comb, and so basically what I've come up with is that I like to just kind of ease into it like that, and I'm watching that it's all right. And I'm watching that it's going straight, because you don't want to go up one way and then come back catawampus. All right. It's not a whole lot to it. It's really just a matter of going smooth, not pushing too hard at first, keeping it light, and then easing into the groove, okay?